Molweni. In this video we want to ask you where you live and where you come from. And the two questions we ask you are uhlala phi and usuka phi. Uhlala phi, usuka phi, and we will see how these questions are responded to. So here's the question: where do you live? Uhlala phi, uhlala phi. I live in Port Elizabeth. Ndihlala eBhayi. Ndihlala eBhayi. So hlala meaning to live, in Bhayi, Port Elizabeth. Have you been in Port Elizabeth for a long time? Kudala uhlala eBhayi. Kudala uhlala eBhayi. Have you been staying here for a long time? Yes, for a long time. Ewe kudala. Ewe kudala. No, not for long. Hayi akudalanga. Hayi akudalanga. Not for long. In fact, we arrived in 2015. We fike arrived ngo 2015. Sifike ngo 2015. And where do you come from? Usuka phi. Usuka phi. So we have now changed the question from uhlala phi, where do you live, to usuka phi, where do you come from? The response: ndisuka eGhini. Ndisuka eGhini. I come from Grahamstown. Note the RH pronounced ch. And you? Wena. Wena. As for me, mna. Ndisuka eKapa. Ndisuka eKapa. So you are learning a few place names here. eBhayi, Port Elizabeth. eGhini, Grahamstown. eKapa, Cape Town. And if you want to narrow the locality down a bit, you could ask, where exactly do you live? Uhlala ndawoni. In fact, you could ask, uhlala ndawoni eBhayi. Where exactly in Port Elizabeth do you live? Uhlala ndawoni. I live in Woma. Ndihlala eWoma. Ndihlala eWoma. And what is your address? Ithini iadresi yakho? Ithini iadresi yakho? It is 45 Main Road. ET 45 Main Road. ET 45 Main Road. Inkosi, and that concludes this video.